Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with the first way I'd like to show you via the contact list, which means that you can actually block the number you've got currently saved. So let's find the number and tap on it. Then let's tap on the 3 icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. And as you can see, your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. So if you're ready, just tap on block. And for some reason I cannot do that. But I'm pretty sure that everything will work fine in your case. You will see the characteristic icon right here, and your device will show you the information that the number is blocked. You will be able to unblock it the same way. Right here you will have the option unblock numbers, then simply tap on it and the number will be unblocked. The second way of blocking the number is via kind of the settings, so it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we've got the section blocked numbers, so let's tap on it, and here we've got actually our blacklist. All we have to do here is to tap on add a number, and as you can see, this way is more manual because you have to enter and the number. You can of course paste it if you've got it copied and then tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear in the blacklist. You can also turn on this option just by tapping on the switcher and turn it off the same way. And basically your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it's up to you whether this option is useful for you or not. And you can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.